G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and we're here at Whitehorse Trucks in Dandenong, and we've brought along the new M-Cube half-inch 18-volt impact wrench. Now we're going to take it inside and let the boys in the workshop have a go. So we're here at Whitehorse Trucks, and I've got the half-inch M-Cube 18-volt rattle gun. Now the gun weighs 2.4 kilos with the battery, so it's comfortable and lightweight in your hand. With this rubberized grip, it's terrific. Now it has 3 torque settings, automatic here, 1, 2, 3, and then it's got an automatic setting which stops you rattling away and over tightening the bolt. When you push the trigger, it has LEDs that light up your job so you can see it, and of course it has the M-Cube 5 amp hour battery. Now it has 800 Newton meters of breakaway torque, so that initial torque to crack the nut or the bolt to get it out. And then it runs at about 400 Newton meters. So let's now give it a try. We've got the truck here and we'll loosen some bolts. So it was fantastic to see the half-inch M-Cube 18-volt impact wrench in action here at Whitehorse Trucks. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And this impact wrench, it's ready for work.